Here I am Anshu and I want to share with you some topics. Guys, everybody noticed that many students want to crack higher education. Okay, they just crack higher education but they don't speak English at that same time. Okay, speaking English, fluent speaking English, they don't try to speak but they want only to crack higher education, right? Like in graduation, then after MA, MSc, MCom, then also MBA, right? IIT, everything. But most people, most students just I mean what, crack their higher education but they don't want to speak in English. So what is the reason behind that? Why they do not speak English properly, fluently? Okay guys, so please watch the video till the end and listen very carefully of this video channel because this is very important and helpful for your life career. Okay, this is also, I must say here in beginning that it is very short video, so notice very carefully every sentences are very important for your life, for your career, so please focus on that. Don't go anywhere, just focus and listen very carefully. It will really beneficial for your life. Guys, higher education is very important. Everybody knows in this era, education is important. Without education, we cannot become sensitive person. We cannot become a cultural person. Also, we have no sense of humor. We have no the value of religion. we we have no the value of knowledge, what is wrong, what is right. We cannot understand between the wrong things and the right things, and only just medium of education we can analyze the what is wrong and what is right, what is wrong from our life, my life, and what is right for my life. We can understand between both of these things, right? Just because of education. So education is very important, and then after, with the help of education, we also can crack our higher education. We can complete our uh, higher education. We can get degrees of higher education, right? So higher education is also important, one of the most important part of education, right? So with the higher education, one important thing we are just missing, and that is our speaking English, right? Speaking English is the golden opportunity or golden, coin to cover up your higher education. और राइट, अगर आप हायर एजुकेशन कर रहे हो और उसके साथ साथ आप इंग्लिश अच्छे तरीके से बोल रहे हो, इट मीन्स आप बहुत अच्छे से आप अपने आप को कवर अप कर सकते हो. योर वैल्यू विल डेफिनेटली more increase, right? And you are more popular among your friends, your colleagues, among everyone, right? So just increase your English speaking, guys, and it will possible. There is no any difficulties to speaking English. Try to speak English, try, and that is one and only my message to all of you, that higher education is important as well as English speaking is also important. So believe in yourself, try to speak in English, otherwise you cannot, what, you cannot, develop or enhance your value among public place. Guys, with the help of English speaking, I think your value, your craze among people will also increase. So try to speak in English. That is my only short message for you guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, so please share and subscribe my video channel and like my video channel. And also one thing, please comment me on my comment box that if you like my video or not, and what are my demerits and what are my merits. Also, you also can please comment on my comment box. Alright guys, so take care of yourselves. I soon see you soon in next video channel. So bye bye till then. Bye.